Exercise number 10. Using Python CV2 module to upload image. Show image. Resize image and show the size of image. Import CV2 module. This module is the one of best when you require the editing of image files. You can install it using pip command. opencv module will actually install CV2 module for you. Imread is the attribute of CV2 module used for reading the image file. In this case it is giraffe JPG file. To display the image, imshow command is used. I have inserted an optional command to find out the dimensions of your uploaded image. You may skip it. The wait key command with 0 value will enable you to close the image window with ease. Similarly, destroy all windows command will collapse all opened image windows. Let's run the program. The size of image is larger than my display. You can see the dimension of the image is quite large. Need to resize the image. You can use resize option of the module to resize your image. Enter the size as width and height in pixels. Again, run the code. The image is nicely displayed to my screen now. Let's play a little with our image. Enter 0 after the image file and run the code. Wow, it has been converted to black and white image. You can enter values in milliseconds under wait key command to automatically close the window after the given time. Resized image size is also displayed.